going, guys? It's me, Zane, here at Spirit Motorcycles, Triumph San Jose. You know what I'm on? I'm on a Can-Am Ryker. Let's turn this guy off real quick. You can see I got the red panels on there. This is a Ryker Sport, so it already comes with the cruise control. We decided to slap on the red grips. You got the one-up backrest here and the top case, so you could put a little luggage, you know. And of course, the cream of the crop, we got an awesome stereo up here, speakers that are OEM with the windscreen on there, and you can see how loud they were when I pulled up. Very awesome system. You can control your whole phone from the interface here. You could skip the songs, turn down the music, press play and press pause like I just did right now. Awesome. And it kind of actually doubles as a fairing as well, just a tad, with the windscreen, so it'll actually block a good amount of the wind. So anyways, just want to show you that. Be quick about it. You know where I am. Spirit Motorcycles, Triumph San Jose, 460 Meridian Avenue, San Jose, California, 95126 408 571 600. Please be safe and have a good one. Bye bye.